Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. Let's now take a look at these products. I have also here a belt carried similar products like that. So as you can see, this is what it looks like in real life after more than 10 years, after 12 years. This product was a gift, Christmas gift to me from again my younger brother, which is a professional electrical engineer. Okay, so 12 years ago, this is a gift he gave me. So it is a belt carried type of product. Again, there is my own personal design holder, which is actually my cell phone holder. So where is my cell phone? It holds my cell phone like this. So you can put it like that. So it is a leather. It's leather. I design it and I get somebody to do it, make it for me. So again, we have this one. What is this? So you can actually, since my brother and I are both electrical engineers, although he is a professional electrical engineer, I am a registered electrical engineer. So I actually putting several, it can carry several tools, right? And actually there are another three for different types of file. So your main pliers, actually this is very useful for me. So I have all the things I needed. I have a cutter, I have a long nose, and positive, and the other one is negative screwdrivers. Okay, so actually this is what we call tools holder or tools holster. Holder or holster could be the right way to name it. Okay. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI saying engineering is for nation building.